Okay, hello. So this is the demo for my AR app, Kitsune AR Calisthenics. Okay, so there's two options. As we can see, there's start and quit. Okay, so allow me to start from beginning. So let's allow me to press the start button. Right, so now we have the 6 type of sports for us to select: push-up, squat, sit-up, burpees, leg raises, and plank. So for example, right, so we just quickly go through because this is example, right? I mean, this is just a demo, right? So first of all, let's say push-ups. So as you can see, we have a 3D model of a push-up. So it will auto attach to somewhere. So in this case, it attached to the curtain. Okay, and then let's say I want to put, okay, to speed up everything, let's say 2 sets, 3 reps, and also 2 seconds for rest time, right? So let's go. After next, then you can see the options. See if you are satisfied with it or not. If not, then you go back, you can continue edit. And like if you press cancel here, then you will prompt back to this screen so you can choose other thing. Alright, so okay, let's say going back to the same setting, 2 set, 3 reps, and also 2 rest second. Next, right? Confirm. Okay, so now first, as you can see, the 3D model starts to do the push-up. So if we have our but we can also do it at the same time with him. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Right. Okay, so now second set, second rep, and then third rep. Right. After we done, then okay, now we have the rest second at bottom left. You can see the timer. Okay, and then after everything done, as you can see, there's a done button at bottom right. So after I press done, then I'll be prompted back to this screen. So allow me to do all of them, but of course, in a very quick speed. So for example, okay, everything one set, right, to speed up. So let's say 3 reps, okay, and then rest second, let's say 2 seconds. Right, next, okay, because basically the function is the same. Now I'm just demonstrating that my how to say, the animation of the 3D model, right? Okay, and then we have the sit-ups. Right, sit-ups is a 1 set, but this time maybe 2 reps to see more, right? Okay. So it'll auto attach to somewhere. So it doesn't as you can see here, small. Actually, it's quite okay size, just that it auto attach to quite far object, so it's slightly further. Right, allow me to show you what happened if we input the wrong input. Okay, so for example, as we can see here, it says that set maximum 9, reps maximum 40, rest second maximum 30. So let's say if I put 0, and then this one I obey the rules, let's say 10, and then rest second I also obey the rule. So what happened? When I press next, oh, it prompts that, oh, input error, please check your input again. So it doesn't work that way. So it's same, like let's say this one maximum 40, right? Let's say I put 41. So it's the same. I can't run. Why? Because the number isn't correct, right? So let's say the rest second maximum is 30. Let's say I put 31. Okay, same. I cannot. 0? Cannot, right? So yeah. So you must follow what this is the rule I made to ensure that everyone does the workout properly. So for now, let's say 1 set, don't 3 rest, 2 rest second, right? Or maybe 1 rest second to speed up, and then for the reps, let's say we put 4. Okay, so now we successfully prompt to the all the whatever happened here, right? And then now when I press confirm, then as you can see, the model here starts to do the burpees. So 1, 2, and then push up, and then wait, 3, and then burpee. Okay, now jump, and then push up, 4. Okay. Right, after everything done, then press done. Okay, now again, leg raises, right? Leg raises. Okay, where is my character? Oh, okay. You can kind of see him at the corner. He attached to that thing. So, okay, yeah, it attached to that thing, alright? So, let's say 1 set, 5 reps, let's say. Rest second, 1 second. Alright, and then next. Confirm. So now, as you can see, he is doing the leg raises. Yes, okay. After finishing leg raises, right? How many reps are? 5, right? Okay, ended. Okay, now the last one to demonstrate is plank. So plank is slightly different because like technically you won't move on plank technically. So yeah. So let's say okay, now the duration is quite long, 600 seconds. How long is it? 10 minutes, which humanly possible, but usually it's impossible for normal human to do that. But just in case, I just leave it to 600, right? So plank, let's say 5 seconds of plank. Because it's plank, right? No, maybe I should make it longer, 8 seconds of plank. So let's see. Next. Confirm. Alright, so now it's doing the plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8-second planks done. Alright, then done. Okay, I can't really showcase the detailed animation because there's like a little bit animation when doing the plank, which the body moving, but because my hands is all shaking and also it's very far, it didn't detect anything nearby as a ground for some reason. But yeah, okay, so after everything done, you can press end. So as you can see, oh, congratulations, you have barely trained. So among the database, we have multiple standard like barely, moderately, extremely trained. Yeah, so these are all the datas, like average, how many reps for how many sets. Yeah, and then like it's not just about looking strong, but actually being strong. Okay, let's take a look at sit up. 2 reps for 1 set. Remember this, okay, 2 reps for 1 set. Let's say I not satisfied with sit-ups, right? Sit-ups. So I add another. Just now it's 2, so this time I put 4. Okay, so now let's do the 4 reps of sit-ups. 1. How many? I put how many? I forgot. Oh my god. I put 1 reps for 4 set. Oh my god, but it's okay. Just let it finish, then I'll showcase what happened. So as you can see, you can't stop in the middle. This is how you force people to finish up the entire routine, alright? You don't allow them to stop in the middle. Never give up in the middle. Just finish the entire workout. Okay. Alright, after everything done, okay, now take a look back at the stat. Now as you can see, just now sit up is like average 4 reps for 1 set. Now become average 3 reps for 5 sets. So the data remains and it changed according to what you did. So every time you enter, then the data will change, right? And then as you can see, there's a motivational speech which will be regenerated every time. So for this time, it's like strength does not come from physical capability. It comes from an indomitable will. Yes. So in the database, there's like multiple speech of motivation. So every time it'll randomly come out with some. Right, so that's all for the demonstration for Kitsune era calisthenics. So in the end, when the user want to quit, it's either they can just home screen from phone or they can press quit. Boom. So after you press quit, you go back to the main screen. Alright, so that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.